Welcome to the 2026 reality check. Is the degree a complete lie, or is it still a golden investment? The internet loves the drama, but the truth is a bit more complicated. The old school narrative that a degree was an automatic, guaranteed ticket to the middle class, that era is officially over. It is no longer about just getting in the door. It is about a high stakes, strategic ROI game. You have to treat your education like an investment portfolio, not a participation trophy. The official line is that a degree nets you a $1.2 million lifetime earnings gap. Sounds great, right? But averages are the ultimate trap. It is the classic distracted boyfriend meme. The degree is looking at that consistent lifetime income, but the massive student debt is pulling just as hard. It is a high stakes trade off. The median is just a middle point. In reality, your major dictates your outcome. Some degrees pay off in years, while others leave you swimming in debt for decades. Don't look at the average, look at your path. Most people look at the sticker price of a college and immediately freak out. It's like a final boss in a video game designed to stop you from even trying. But that sticker price is rarely what you pay. It's just the brochure price. The real number is the net price, which is what's left after grants and scholarships work their magic. If you're calculating your return on investment, you have to use the actual cost, not the sticker price. Don't let the brochure scare you away from your future. Not all majors are created equal. In the game of financial ROI, your major is the player character you choose, and some are definitely overpowered. High ROI fields often see positive returns within 5 years. Others, they can leave you underwater for a decade if you aren't careful about the costs. Going into massive debt for a low demand field is like the classic "this is fine" meme. You are sitting in the fire of interest rates, hoping it works out later. Here is the hard truth. The field you pick is roughly 80% of your financial success. Choose your major like you're choosing your build in an RPG, carefully. Opportunity cost is the ultimate hidden tax. Think of those 4 years of college as going AFK in your favorite game. While you're AFK, your bank account isn't just stagnant, it's losing out on the XP and gold you could have been grinding for. While you're sitting in a lecture, the trade school student is already collecting a paycheck. Rising entry level wages in skilled trades mean that the gap between your starting salary and their accumulated savings gets massive before you even get your diploma. You can't just look at the tuition invoice. The real price tag includes the 4 years of wages you didn't earn. Don't ignore the hidden tax. In 2026, relying solely on a traditional degree is like playing a game on easy mode while everyone else is speedrunning the meta. Pro players are stacking micro credentials. You're not just a graduate anymore, you're a multi classed specialist. It's all about building that custom build. But here's the ultimate buff: AI literacy. Adding this to your resume gives you that undeniable main character energy employers are thirsting for right now. Don't just collect paper. Stack skills, master the AI tools, and become the hireable God tier candidate your industry is hunting for.